Double-hung windows. Miami Beach is a popular choice for homeowners seeking both functionality and style. These windows offer easy operation and are perfect for the warm climate of Miami Beach, FL. With energy-efficient windows, you can enjoy reduced energy bills and a more comfortable home environment. Our window replacement services in Miami Beach ensure that your home is equipped with the latest in window technology. Double-hung window solutions in Miami Beach cater to the unique needs of each homeowner. Whether you need specific window frame materials or window glass options, our team can provide the perfect fit for your home. Our window replacement experts in Miami Beach are ready to address any issues, ensuring your windows remain in top condition. Residential double-hung windows Miami Beach services include everything from installation to maintenance. Our window maintenance tips help you keep your windows looking and functioning like new. For those interested in the latest window design trends, our window style consultation in Miami Beach offers insights into the most popular styles and features. Window hardware upgrades in Miami Beach can enhance both the look and functionality of your windows. Our window sealing services ensure that your windows are properly insulated, providing window insulation solutions that keep your home comfortable year-round. Window weatherproofing in Miami Beach is essential for protecting your home from the elements. Double-hung windows. Miami Beach energy savings are achieved through the use of energy-efficient windows and proper installation techniques. Our window security enhancements provide peace of mind, while window safety features ensure the well-being of your family. Window cleaning services in Miami Beach. Keep your windows sparkling and clear. Window noise reduction in Miami Beach is a key consideration for those living in busy areas. Our window UV protection options help protect your furnishings from sun damage. With window warranty options in Miami Beach, you can rest assured that your investment is protected. Understanding window installation cost in Miami Beach is crucial for budgeting your project. Our window measurement services ensure a perfect fit, while the window replacement benefits in Miami Beach include improved aesthetics and energy efficiency. Double-hung windows Miami Beach installation is a smart choice for those seeking a blend of tradition and modernity. Energy-efficient windows Miami Beach are designed to reduce your carbon footprint and save on energy costs. Miami Beach window replacement services offer a comprehensive approach to upgrading your home's windows. Custom window solutions. Miami Beach provide tailored options to meet your specific needs. Window replacement Miami Beach experts are skilled in addressing a wide range of window issues. Residential window services Miami Beach cover everything from new installations to replacements and maintenance. Window frame materials. Miami Beach are available in a variety of options to suit your style and budget.